Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to add Ask Me a Question in Instagram Story. It's quite simple. Once you're here in your profile, you can click on the home page and swipe right. Once you're here in the story section, you can click a picture or click on these two A's to add a neutral background. After this, you can select the color from the bottom right corner. Just tap and you will get all these amazing backgrounds to choose from. Once you're happy with one, and then you can click on the top on the stickers icon and see that you have all these options available. And you will see that there is this option called questions. That is the one that we're going to use. Just click on questions and you can customize the question from here. Once this is done, you can interact with all the answers that you get, which means you can repost them as a story. So yeah, that was pretty much it on how to add Ask Me a Question in Instagram Story. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.